Hello everybody, my name is Kim. Just kind of giving you a little introduction to who I am and welcoming you to my home. I plan to make some more videos, and depending on if anyone really wants to watch them, we'll see. But yeah, just to give you kind of an introduction to who I am and the kind of decor I like and what really gets me going in my home. So if you can't tell already, I'm definitely a maximalist. I like my things. I like a lot of things. I just think it creates a feeling of coziness and home, and it's something that makes me happy. So I definitely appreciate other styles, but I really, really love my textures and my colors and my wood pieces and my collections. I love to collect copper. You'll see that all throughout my house. I have many, many copper pieces. I'm also a vintage reseller, so I come across it quite a bit, and it's very hard to resist. I also love art, namely floral oil paintings like this one. This is like my newest one, and I love it. And I crack up because people are like, oh, that's such a great fall piece. And I'm like, well, that's going to be in my house all year long because my whole house is basically geared towards fall. I just love the earthy colors and the warm hues of fall. So my house kind of stays looking a bit like fall with little touches of other seasons sprinkled in. But other than that, I really love country, primitive, cottage style. My home is filled with a lot of the treasures that make me happy. So some things will last here very long and other things don't, because like I said, I am a vintage reseller. So things might be in my home for 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, maybe more, especially the things I love. They'll stay, but other than that, I do end up selling a lot of things. So my family likes to joke with me and say that the house never stays the same, which it doesn't. I'm constantly changing things. Is anyone else like that? I know there are tons of people. I also have an Instagram account. It's called Pickin' Wildflowers 14, where I showcase a lot of little vignettes of the things that I do. I'm also a DIYer, so I'd like to do a lot of painting, furniture painting. Actually, everything in here that you're seeing that's painted, I've done. I'm in the middle of painting my chairs, as you can tell, and I can't decide whether or not I want to just paint them all, paint them one color, or paint them multiple colors. I can't figure it out. But anyway, if you'd like to see more of my home, this is just my dining room, very small sample of my home. If you'd like to see more, please comment. Please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. I'd really like to start out a YouTube channel and get it going and have some fun. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and see you soon. Thanks.